Hi guys, so we all know how important it is to take care of yourself, and a great way to do that is to go to the spa. But sometimes we don't have the time and we don't want to spend so much money on going to the spa. So today I have partnered with Myntra to share with you all my pamper routine on a lazy Sunday that looks like this. So first things first, it's very important to set the mood right and get into that whole spa atmosphere at home. So I set my towels up and I begin with lighting some fragranced candles up. I also love to play some relaxing music to set the tone and calm my nerves. And then I begin with my hair, which as you can see is extremely dry and frizzy right now. The weather is such that it's making it totally unmanageable. So one product that I love is the Body Shop Rainforest Nutrition Hair Butter. Trust me guys, this is better than getting a hair spa. All you need to do is just apply the butter all over your head and just let it sit for a few minutes. I then get into the shower and scrub my entire body using the Body Shop Shea Butter Body Scrub. And this is so nice because it smells amazing. It makes you feel luxurious when you apply it on your skin. It gives that amazing glow after you wash it all off, and it's just perfect. I then go in with my LOccitane Aroma Body and Strength Shampoo. This is something that I use only when I'm indulging myself and my hair and I want that glow, that shine, and along with that the nutrition and strength. Now I use this as a hack, but I boil myself some hot water and the steam from it, I just use that to prep my skin up, open those pores so that I can get started. I obviously love to have some green tea in the middle of all these spa sessions so that my body is relaxed. I then go in with the Fabindia essential oil. This is the tea tree essential oil, very good for acne prone skin, and I had broken out. There were a few pimples that day, so I decided to just nicely wipe all the impurities off my face using the essential oil and a hot towel. And now it's time to exfoliate, which is so important to remove all the dirt and the grime from your skin. I use the Natio exfoliator. This is very, very mild, and I use this when I have acne on my skin like this day, and this is very good because it doesn't have very harsh scrubbing particles. On a pamper day like this, I like to go in with sheet masks, and here I'm using a Korean beauty brand MIRABELLE's berry face mask. Smells amazing, makes your skin super soft and smooth, and I'm just rubbing off the excess face mask essential oil into my skin to make it feel even better. After I wash it all off, I go in with my YVES ROCHER Hydra Vegetal Moisturiser. This is super good when you want to really moisturize your skin and you're not afraid of it becoming oily, because you don't have to go out, you're at home, you can let the moisture be soaked into your skin. I then go in with my AYURVEDA Sanobar body lotion. This is such a luxurious body lotion, makes your skin feel like butter, and I apply it all over my body just to keep it moisturized. Once my hair is all dried up, I like to detangle it, comb it nicely. It's already feeling soft, but I like to add that extra dose of luxury because it's pamper day, right? So I go in with my Inatur Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Serum. This again smells amazing, super luxurious, feels amazing on the hair, gives you the right amount of moisture. And with that, my spa day comes to an end. Of course, I have more and more green tea. I get back to my books, and that's it. I would seriously suggest each one of you watching this video to actually indulge yourself at least once a week and rejuvenate your mind and your body. Thank you so much guys for watching this video with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and you will find the product list below in case you want to buy any of this from Myntra Beauty. And yeah, love you all.